Oh, it's a Marlin.
This is the
World of Water. Oh, yeah. World of Color.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting.
Yo, Paul.
That's really some watercolor.
Mario. Look, it's Mario.
Oh my God, it's a Mario!
Hey, it's Mario.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Oh, look, the turtle. I'm dead. The shark in the water. Whoa. Oh, it's the Grinch. Something on top. Wow. Yeah, I'm dead.
I've never been here before, guys. All of my life, I've never been here. Like Mala Market, what is it? He's getting me candy. More. Nah. It's fine.
Two of us.
What? Yeah. Should have got another Starburst.
Do you want another Starburst?
Nah, it's okay.
I mean, there's still
It's okay. It's okay.
Although it's been said many times, many ways,
Cold. It's very cold up here, fam. Highly recommend a jacket. Oh. It's popping. It's a vibe. Witches are literally just camped out here. Wow.
although it's been said
What's up, Amy?
many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Although it's been said many times, many ways,